Welcome to this video update, which is all about how to learn Forex trading for free, and a very underrated resource in my view, Facebook. Now, Facebook has got a lot of Forex groups. Most of them are not worth considering. I mean, there's many that are just really awash with get-rich-quick schemes and ads. Others are used as promotional tools only by a vendor, so you don't get to post comments or get replies from other traders. But you do get groups that have, professional traders in, also with beginners in as well. And, in terms of those sorts of groups, they're very useful because if you're a beginner, you can ask questions, you can get, advice from traders who've actually done it and been successful. If you're a bit more experienced, you can post your own ideas as well, get feedback, basically be with a like-minded community. Now, in terms of our Facebook group, it does contain many professional traders who trade for a living, who are more than happy to provide feedback to queries and questions and so forth. Many other experienced traders in the group as well. And of course, a lot of beginners. And in terms of our Facebook group, we do not allow promotional material or advertisements, get-rich-quick schemes, etc. And we will basically monitor the group constantly to see that, basically things are done in the right way. It's about traders talking with other traders, giving their ideas, getting advice, etc. Okay. Now, in terms of our Facebook group, totally free. You could just apply to join it on the link beneath this video. And it's a great resource. Stressing obviously it's entirely free. And I will stress that there are a lot of experienced traders in there who give you the reality of what it takes to become a successful Forex trader. So join on the link beneath this video. Also, you can join our free mailing list for lots of information on the best trade strategies and trade setups as well. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Have a good day.